आज की व्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करी है शूजा भाई ने और फाइनली हम IKEA स्टोर पहुंच गए हैं जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं। वी आर जस्ट गोइंग फॉर समथिंग क्विक बाइट्स हियर। तो देख मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जो सेटअप्स हैं IKEA के। दिस इज द लिविंग रूम साइड। सो दीज आर द शो केसेस हाउ द लिविंग रूम्स लुक लाइक। जस्ट शो अस कि क्या ये अलमारी है या एक रेफ्रिजरेटर।
यू को उठाना।
See this. We are going to try the Swedish food. So the buses and आपको ये पसंद आया होगा IKEA का टूर। IKEA Atlanta. Yes, so आज की व्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करी है शूजा भाई ने और शूजा भाई ने आज हमें बताया कि आज हम जाएंगे IKEA। सो वी आर गोइंग IKEA टुडे क्योंकि अभी कुछ ही दिनों में हमें फर्नीचर की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं
अटलांटा का IKEA।
Yes. सो गाइज फाइनली हम IKEA स्टोर पहुंच गए हैं जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं। और अब हम देखते हैं कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स IKEA आज हमारे लिए क्या क्या रखा हुआ है। सो दैट्स द एंट्रेंस। सो लेट्स गो। So guys, now we are entering in the first floor and the living room entrance. So as you can see at my back, this is the living room side. So these are the showcases how the living rooms look like. So here it is. Let me show you. This is the section of the big couches. So we have the L-shaped couches is there, the single toe couches are there, and different shades of color are here. So guys, do you like them? Well, I like them. सो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जो सेटअप्स हैं IKEA के घर सजाने के, तो ये वही है। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं आगे और। So guys, now we are in here in the living section. So in the living section, as you can see, the wardrobe is behind me. So this is a section where you can decorate your living room. So let me show you, like the TV cases, you know, the TV almirah, you know, the TV setup, how you put your televisions, your speakers in your living room, like that. So let me show you. सो गाइस, जैसा कि आप पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये है किचन सेटअप। सो शामली, जस्ट शो अस कि क्या ये अलमारी है या एक रेफ्रिजरेटर। 3, 2, 1 सी। सो दिस इज़ फॉर व्हाट IKEA इज़ फेमस फॉर, कि ये आपके लिए एक असेंबलिंग और डिसेंबलिंग स्ट्रक्चर बना के देता है फर्नीचर का। तो आप कभी भी कहीं भी इसको अपने आप खुद से लगा सकते हैं और खुद से इसको डिसेंबल करके कहीं भी मूव इन और मूव आउट कर सकते हैं। सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट। IKEA इज़ अ स्वीडिश कंपनी, इट इज़ फ्रॉम स्वीडन।
सही है ना, फ्रिज मतलब दीवार में अलमारी लग रही है पर है नहीं।
Yes. So guys, this is another a kitchen setup. I think I quite like this one, this kindish, you know, woodish with some black, you know, colors, the beige colors of the walls. Very good table. See, this setup kitchen looks quite aesthetic, but I like this one. Very simple pastel colors, the yellow ochre color, the white shelves, beautiful.
गाइस, तो अब हम यहाँ से लिफाफे उठाएंगे। देवे,
Yes.
ये लो, ये यू को उठाना।
See this. So guys, now we are in the dining section. As you can see, these are the beautiful dining round tables with beautiful chairs. The cutlery, as you can see, on the table. You know, the chandelier above the table. Great. So these are the kitchen counter tables, as you can see here. A normal room table for the living room and a lot of things. So these are the bar stools here. So if you have your little, you know, the counter bar in your home, so you can get these chairs from here. So guys, now we are in the workspace. So here you can see a lot of workspace rugs here, like the table, you know, the documents table, you know, all the drawers here, and a lot of things. Professional storage. Have all the workspace tables, chairs, the recliner chairs, and many more things. So we have just reached at number 6. So there are a lot of things to see. So guys, now we are in the bedroom section. So this is one of the setup here of the bedroom. Looks really great. I love the lamps on the ceiling. Wonderful view at the window. That's how it's going to be look. So here is another setup of the bedroom, where we have bed with the frames. And we can have the sliding door closet behind the bed, and another mirror and the drawers. So now we are in the section where you can see a lot of beds. So there are different kind of beds and the side tables with the beds, the side drawers, as you can see. So we are into the bedroom.
Are they just about the firmness? Yeah.
So we have the bunk bed as well for the kids, you know. ये सब बेड्स देखने के बाद मेरी इच्छा हो रही है कि मैं बस इन पर लेट जाऊं और सो जाऊं. बट फॉर श्योर जैसे ही हमें कोई बेड यहाँ पे पसंद आता है, डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट टू आवर न्यू होम. Is the another setup of the closet of every man and woman dream in their house. So check it out. So really cool. Well, I love those shoes, one of those shoes. So guys, this is the section of the shelves for the clothes, for the shoes. These are the open shelves here. You can just hang the clothes, you know. These are the wooden shelves, as you can see. I love this one shelf. Neither open, neither closed, but in between, where I can keep my clothes accordingly, like shirts, t-shirts, jeans, and then shoes maybe. I love them. These are the hanging shelves. This is also frame, can be nut and bolted into the wall, and you can perfectly use it. So guys, now we have come into the most loved section of the home, which is the children's section. And here you can see the beautiful home setup here. This is the one setup. That is the another setup. We have the bunk bed as well as the single beds. So let me show you the solo beds. These are the solo beds. These are the itineraries with the beds, the pillows and the covers here. The bed mattresses, the pillows, the covers, the sheets, and a lot of section are here. Going for something quick bites here. तो देखते हैं खाने के लिए हमारे पास क्या है. So first floor of IKEA has a very good food corner. So we are going to look for something good. So we are standing in the queue. So what would you like to eat? You would like to eat
Falafel balls, pectins, and almond cheese.
Okay then. guys, now we are in the cooking section and the cookware, tableware. So these are the product here. So this is the entire section. So this is the last section here. So as you can see, now we are into the lighting and home electronics, and this is the section here. These are the beautiful lamps. I like this lamp. So this is the section of home decoration, beautiful pots, potteries here for the flowers, the vases, and a lot of things. So guys, now we are going for the checkout and we are free. So आई होप कि आपको ये पसंद आया होगा IKEA का टूर। एंड जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा था, एटलांटा की जो भी सीरीज़ है, जो नया आता रहेगा मैं आपको घुमाता रहूँगा। सो चलिए हम चेकआउट भी करते हैं और हम सीधा निकलते हैं बाहर। साइड article note